Welcome back, car enthusiasts. As you guys saw in the title and thumbnail, we're going to be showing this Jeep Cherokee of mine, and I know some of you have already seen it, but for those who haven't, here, let's go take a look at it. So here's the beauty himself, Silvester, the Jeep Cherokee, and so I'm just going to go down what I've done to it from stock, from that picture to now. So basically, what I got it, when I got it, to now, basically. So I'm going to try and go down everything I've put on it, everything I've done, and just kind of try and remember. So I might forget some things, but they'll definitely be down in the description below. If you want any of these items that I have put on this XJ for yours, you can find them in the description below. So let's try and start with the front end on this thing. If we look here, we have our LED lights, which were really cool, and they're really bright in the dark, so I really love them. And then as well as the different light changes on the inside instead of those regular ones, made them a little nicer and clean, and the clear instead of the orange. And then we went ahead and got a rough country winch bumper for this thing and took off the old one, got the D-rings for it, and then we went ahead and put the Badland 12,000 pound Apex winch from Badland basically in here as well, the synthetic. So overall that thing has saved my rear end several times, basically this XJ's rear end several times. And just enjoy the view on this one. And if we go below, suspension wise, boop, as you guys can see, we painted the differential cap, and we went ahead and put a rough country dual steering stabilizer on it. I know this thing isn't exactly clean, but it's a Jeep, so bear with me on that. So we went ahead and did the rough country steering, dual steering, and then we also went and did the sway bar drop kit from rough country, just so the steering and then these bars would get out of the way of the springs. So that was a good plus right there. And yeah, I think that's everything in the front that I can think of. So, and then let's go ahead and talk about the tires and wheels setup here. I think it's a 8x15 wheel and tire setup, and I did it on all fours, the 33s, the tires themselves. So the wheels are, the wheels are pretty cool. And then we went ahead with the Corsair MXT Mastercraft 33s, get it? Yeah, and so far they've been treating me awesome. They've been lasting a long time, so they got plenty of tread left on them. So they're really nice about that. And yeah, I might eventually go up to 35s eventually. I wanted the 33s on the original start, because eventually I just kind of made it a bit higher and higher. So now I'm pretty sure I can fit 35s pretty good. I really recommend these things. These are actually really cool. I really like the wheels because they just give that cool look to them. Yeah, and even though they're not true beadlocks, but yeah. In the description if you want to find both of those. And then if we look on the side here, what we did, so the lift itself is just kind of a hodgepodge of rough country parts put together to make 7 in the front, 6 in the back. So that's what I did. So we did a mixture of things that had originally, like, I don't know, 4 in the, I don't know, it's kind of weird. It was like, as from this picture that I'm showing you guys, it was kind of lifted, but it was kind of stink buggied, but then not, and like squatted. I didn't like it, so we added some spacers on this thing, 2-inch spacers in the front. So I think it was like 5 inches originally, and then like 7. I added 7. I don't know, it was kind of weird. So we made it 7 with a hodgepodge of mixed parts. So it's 7 with 2-inch spacer. And then we also went ahead and got the rough country control arm drop, just so our little short arms could reach the lift kit instead of being like down like this. So that's what we did with the rough country right there. So with that, it actually rides pretty good and smooth, because the swing arms, the control arms are lowered a good, as you can tell, I don't know, 4 inches, 5 inches. So that is a very good option when you have a short arm. And then came with the LED light bar, and I didn't add that, but it's a cool feature as well. It's really nice and bright, especially on the snowy days. So yeah, so that's the front. I think we've done everything to the front on that thing. So if we go to the back, we made the back higher basically by putting 3-inch blocks in the back, because they already did a little bit of the suspension. I think these are longer, so these are longer shackles in the back. So we went ahead and put 3-inch blocks in the back just to make it a full 6. So I think it's like originally 3, and then we added 3 more. So we got that all covered. Interesting with the rear. I don't know if that's leaking or not. Something new. Yeah. We went ahead and tinted the back lights, even though that's technically illegal. Added our own customization, freezing racing with my racing number with the 4-liter. Yeah. So, it's cool. Very cool. It's a sick ride. I love it. Gotta love the sunset over there too, so. So I think that's what we've done suspension-wise. Oh wait, there's actually, if you guys look up in here in the fender wells, we added some lights in this thing. Oh yeah. So I'll show you guys a picture of that in the dock. It's like a full underglow kit from Mictuning, which is in the description. All of that stuff is in the description. But yeah. Okay, so let's check in the inside now and show you the interior. Okay, yeah. So the sun isn't giving us a problem on this side, actually. So yeah, it has a nice dark maroon color. The chair, I didn't know they came with a different one because I guess they destroyed the other one when I got it like 2 years ago. So yeah, so it has a nice clean interior. Eventually gonna get some seat covers for this thing, put this old mat in there, but keeping it clean. Let's go up to the front all the way, and let's see now. So it is an automatic, it's not the manual, but it's the 4-liter engine. And then just the nice interior. We've upgraded the sound system to a Bluetooth, USB, all that. And then dash is all clean. It has about 250,000 miles on this thing. And yeah, other than that, the inside's pretty clean, the engine's pretty good, runs good as well. And it also, I think it's like the first year they did electric windows and stuff. So the windows are all electric, the locks are electric as well. And yeah, otherwise, it's pretty good in here. I kind of want to go to an LED swap, like LED lights on the inside. But if we want to take a look in the back here, we go in the back, we got some a 12-inch sub in here, kicker, and then some junk in the back as well. So we've upgraded all the speakers in this thing from each and every door. So the front doors and the back, I think. Yeah, so the speakers and sound system is all upgraded, so I get to listen to some sick beats while I drive, so that's nice. I haven't done any muffler work yet. I eventually want to do that, but at the moment, this is how it sits. So it's really cute and beautiful. So yeah, if you guys want to know or want me to add anything on this XJ or have any parts that you guys want off of it in the description, I enjoy it. I love it. It's fun to drive. It gets okay gas mileage as is with the 4-liter and 33s. Eventually want to go 35s. Keep rambling on. But yeah, that's my build right there. So thanks for watching. If you want to see it being built, I'll be right there, or a playlist of it being built, any of that, and other Comanche build right there. All right. So thanks for watching. I will see you later. Whoop.